Today we there with
One Jeremy.
Jeremy. If you have a king, you must have a prince. Who is the prince of dancehall?
As we say, Popcorn are the man. Don't joke about that.
And why you say that?
I must say, Popcorn been a do things too, you know. I took the enough place them man there a shell down, you know. Ghana are them man the place where to the people them rate him a Ghana. And couple more place well where them man they still a shell. Yeah, to them been a do the thing, you see me?
So if Cartel is the king, who will I get to the prince of dancehall? Who is the prince?
I'm gonna give Popcorn. Cause from Cartel the king and him bring the prince, you know. A Popcorn, you know, when time Cartel they are jail, you know. A Popcorn up the place, you know. Skilly bang not somebody, you know, but me I tell a Popcorn. A Popcorn I do all I world tour them go through America visa. Popcorn I boss, brother.
Real talk. Any advice you would like to give to Cartel?
Yeah man, Cartel I give advice right now. I tell you what to do. We not have to give Cartel more advice. He don't get the advice of prison come out and he know what go on. So him a give advice now and the youth them for just little Cartel because I know him myself.
That's true. Anybody you like to big up?
Yeah man, big up Alkaline same way, good artist. As Cartel always tell them. Big up my father. Big up being man my artist. But being man know say I just Cartel time now. If you just give Cartel in ratings so. Cause Cartel telling say him a king of dancehall from him born out of mother belly. So why you won't give him back in ratings? Give him in ratings. Simple.
What is sound that me knows?
I'm out.
Yeah, me G, you think Alkaline is the prince of dancehall?
Right now, yeah man. Alkaline I prince man after Cartel Alkalines. Straight. Real mates.